Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Elon Musk just posted his stock of Shiba Inu coins on Twitter. Today's news from space: Shiba Inu's price may have put the last nail in the coffin for bears. Shib's latest price action could lead to a sweep the lows event. This thesis describes a bullish scenario and a negative scenario that could happen in the next few days. In this video, we'll talk about how Elon Musk just tweeted about his stock of Shiba Inu coins. Today's space Shib news. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent videos. Shiba Inu price may be nearing its end before a big drop on December 24th. The price of the well-known joke coin is 13% below where it started in December and 90% below its all-time high. Shiba Inu is worth 835 cents right now. The world's most popular dog coin has been going back and forth between a coiling band for a few weeks. As the range has gone on, the highs have gotten lower and the lows have gotten higher, making it harder for day traders to make money as the price settles on the low end of the range. Traders who bet on the market going up may be playing with fire. The 18th and 22nd of December. With the help of the 8-day exponential moving average, the bears stopped the bulls from getting into the middle of the coiling range. The suppression could mean that the sale within the range is over and bears are ready to push Shib lower. The first goal for sellers would be the summer lows at 607 cents, which would be a 15% drop from the current price. If you go into the market with the idea that you should do the opposite, you could lose money. The breach move is still to disprove the bearish theory. 932 cents, as the last negative forecast said. If the bulls break through the level, Shib could go as high as the swing high on November 10 of 1,055 cents. If the bulls won, the price of a Shiba Inu would go up by 21%. Shiba Inu token burn has increased by more than 150% to hit 5.1 million Shib in just 24 hours, as the number of users in the Shib army has kept growing. Shib Burn's Shiba Inu burn tracker has shown that over the past 24 hours, the rate at which Shiba Inu's burn has gone up by more than 150%. Shiba Inu tokens are burned when they are sent to so-called dead wallets on the Ethereum network. This is because the cryptocurrency market has been in a bear market for over a year. No one can get to, so the tokens are essentially out of circulation because they can't be gotten back. The Shib army has been a strong supporter of token burns for a long time. Token burns lower the amount of meme-inspired cryptocurrency in circulation, which makes the tokens in circulation more valuable if demand stays the same or goes up. Shiba Inu people burned 410 trillion tokens at the end of last year. The cryptocurrency community, which was inspired by memes, has set up several ways to make money and burn Shib, such as an Amazon affiliates program and music tracks that the community listens to. Notably, the average time that users of the Nasdaq-listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase hold on to the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu before selling it or moving it to an external address has now passed 210 days. On its page, the cryptocurrency exchange says that a long hold time means that a trend is building up, while a short hold time means that tokens are moving around more. Since the function was added, the average wait time on the exchange for Shiba Inus has been going up. Crypto Globe said that Shib has been getting more than 600 new buyers every day this month. Data from the blockchain shows that the number of people who own it has grown from about 1.251 million at the beginning of this month to over 1.258 million. Retail trade has slowed down a lot, and this is hurting the brokerage the most. In less than a year, Robinhood went from a hype company to any platform. In July, the company sold its first shares on Wall Street for $38 each, giving it a market value of almost $32 billion. After less than a year, these numbers no longer seem real. At the last check on April 12th, Robinhood shares had dropped by 69.6% to $11.55. The market value of the company has dropped by more than $22 billion. But the worst part is that Robinhood's goal of making trade and finance more accessible to everyone seems to be in doubt. Even though the company was able to shake up the brokerage business by lowering fees, forcing much bigger rivals to do the same, it has had trouble growing, especially in the last few months. The stock trading app said in January that it expects income for the first quarter to be less than $340 million, which is 35% less than in 2021. This is because the number of monthly active users dropped from 18.9 million in the third quarter of 2021 to 17.3 million in the fourth quarter. One worrying sign is that the money made from trading crypto is slowly going down. In the second quarter of 2021, Robinhood made $233 million from crypto trading. In the fourth quarter, however, it only made $48 million from crypto trading. After COVID-19, which forced governments to release trillions of dollars in cash aid for the unemployed and suffering businesses, a lot of small investors started using Robinhood to buy and sell meme stocks and cryptocurrencies. But that money has run out because many countries have stopped their fiscal and monetary boost now that they are fully open again. Last month, the Federal Reserve started to raise interest rates and plans to do so again. The brokerage is doing more to get retail investors, especially Gen Z and millennials, who made it popular in the past, to come back. The brokerage just made the decision to let people trade 4 cryptocurrencies on its website. These cryptocurrencies are some of the most widely used ones. Robinhood has added Shiba Inu to the list of assets that can be bought and sold on its website. Robinhood is betting that crypto fans and regular traders will flock to support their favorite token. At last check, more than 559,715 people had signed the Change.org petition to force Robinhood to take Shiba Inu. In September 2020, a Shiba Inu coin was worth 30 cents, but the last time CoinGecko checked, it was worth 2,677 cents. Steve Quirk, Robinhood's chief brokerage officer, said, "We're excited to give our customers more options as we work to make Robinhood the best place to invest in crypto. As a business that puts safety first, we have a strict system in place to help us decide which assets to list, and we are still committed to providing a safe and educational crypto platform." Shib writer and Shiba, a new set of short stories for kids, is putting the Shiba Inu community in the holiday spirit. The 2 people who wrote these short stories about Shibas put up a holiday movie on YouTube 2 days ago. They've already had more than 3,500 views and a lot of good feedback. Their children tell the stories in the YouTube Christmas show, which is very cute. In addition, the family who is helping the Shib plans to print hard copies of the stories. The Shib, a book for kids, is set to come out around New Year's Eve. Many thanks. At Shib Token Shib Army, we thank you for supporting the stories of our children. We've been getting really nice texts, and at 77, we went over 2,000 views. And everyone in our family wishes you all a happy holiday. The head of the Shib team, Shigeyoshi Kazama, is sitting at the Hanukkah table and giving thanks for lighting the lights. This became clear when Satoshi Kusama made changes to his Twitter bio.